to deploy.
Kill someone.
Audio was a bit delayed.
Yeah. Now, what I do want to do, alright? Like, I really do want us to play, next game, play Demolition next game.
I'm gonna stop recording after the next game because neither harsh.
Oh, this one?
So.
This one or that one?
This one.
This last game?
I'll be back later.
Okay. Back later?
Yeah, to do feed test.
Like, how much? What time is later?
Not too long.
What time? Like, not too late?
Not too late.
Alrighty. 12 minutes, 4 seconds left. Oh boy.
I've got mine set up so it automatically stops recording and starts recording again at... Jesus Christ, 14 minutes.
Yeah, I could do that, but I like having the bigger files so I don't have as many files to do. It's less confusing.
It's not,
Wow.
I see it as I just need to drag the file into the video processor and then
Yeah.
just let it do its thing. I know that with the intro screen as well, videos aren't going to
Also-
be more than what's allowed.
Yeah.
To be quite honest, I don't even need to limit these videos because I can actually record. I can record a video for like 12 hours.
Alright, so how do you... I was wondering, like, how do you like, process / compress your videos? Do you compress these ones?
I just stick them in Windows. Movie Maker.
Yeah? How do you compress them with that?
You just drag it in and save it as a WMV. I make sure that I've got my aspect ratio set to 16 to 9, I think it is, so that it comes out as the 1280 by 720 high definition stuffs.
Alright, my brother is currently, he's next to it, he's like, hey.
Ah, that was a close one.
Yes, we're totally recording this. Yes, I do have push stock. I'm pulling it down.
Oh, yay, someone built a stairway. Oh no, they started a stairway and just didn't finish it. Oh,
My brother is not leaving. I'm asking him to leave.
I got stuck up here.
He's making my videos very unprofessional.
Who is?
My brother.
Why is it?
He was getting it in the way he was talking around us. Yeah. Gotta kill.
What?
2 kill.
That
I have like 1
24
health left.
Super Alemio is like a... Oh no, it's stuff right behind us, like...
Oh, I killed him. He killed me, so that was 3 kills by me. For no, without
What?
even-
Where the fuck did you come from?
Hmm.
It's like the guy just camping in the spawn area.
Oh god, yeah. I see him, he's up in the hills.
Douche.
I see him there.
Fuck you,
Distance.
you cunt.
I'm digging my way to their base. Kill them with rockets. No, not with the rockets. Kill them with the mining laser, with the mining drills. That's the only way to kill them.
I don't know if this guy's seen me or not. Yeah, he has.
Being shot from behind. Whoa. Bang. Shotgun. Damage.
How is he able to shoot me now? Fuck you! Fucking shotgun. Dick. Fucking shotgun. I'll fucking show you who's boss.
Yeah, go to miner then. Miner has shotgun.
I've got shotgun now. Keep these bitches on
Shotgun is one shot, I can hear them.
the Someone's sprinkled up this building. Whoops. What the hell? I can't move anywhere. God.
my god, marksman.
This thing is so glitchy. Wait, I can't jump up here.
Mm. Yeah.
Ugh. Now I can.
We're walking around looking for stuff. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Looking for a person just waiting in the background, just like looking for someone, and suspecting to come by to die. Now, I think green team has an advantage in this course because they can blend in.
This'll leave a mark.
Headshot.
Fuck you.
Ooh, I got one. Headshot. Gotta get another.
There we go. Only took a while, but I did it eventually.
Good job. Just gotta wait for one of them to show their faces. Then I will kill them. Be a brutal and horrendous death for them. Show your face so I can give you a brutal horrendous death.
What? Oh, it was like a double kill. I killed him and he killed me. See how... yeah, they
Oh,
exploded.
I headshot him. Well, that was the best.
Exploded at the same time.
I shot him and he shot me in the head at the exact same moment.
You can't hit what you
Yeah.
can't see, boys.
I said that's uber mad. Oh, you took my. I was gonna kill him.
I killed him.
Yeah, but that was crazy that we both got headshots on each other at the same time, which I call pretty impressive. Considering we both must shot the exact same tick in order for that to happen.
I'm so glad I took this roof off.
Because step back bullets they go pretty fast.
I'm still second as well. Jesus. Our team sucks. Where are you? Oh, you're third.
These guys are gonna kill me unless I shoot them in the head. And then shoot
Oh, nice.
this guy.
That was the person I thought was a bot in the other game.
I'm killing
Whoa,
people.
what the hell? Where did you come from? Really?
Oh, please, stupid. Ow. That hurts. It hurts my head when I get hit in the head with a bullet.
I think it's bound to hurt if you get hit in
That's-
the head.
I know, right? I never would have guessed it though.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who do you think you are, bitch?
He
I
thinks
still
he's someone.
killed him.
Hmm.
Lols. Yeah, that audio is really delayed. 4 minutes of this match left.
Let's throw in grenades. A big battle. Commando. Right across. Mech. Checkmate. And kill him.
Fucking reload. For
Bang.
Sake.
Good job, man. We did that together.
Yeah, teamwork, man. Teamwork.
Yep. Let me go for that health.
I think there's someone. I can hear someone.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Yo, yeah. Lols.
Yeah.
He was just like hiding in this rock in the wall.
Hiding in the rock in the wall.
In the hole in the wall. Yeah.
Here's something. Like, I hear something coming from this wall.
Oh,
Let me
there's
shoot.
mine. Watch the
It works.
mine. Yeah, I totally avoided that mine. Strange. I can hear someone else mine. Where's that mine?
Kill someone.
Ow, 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 ow. No. Oh, he's got a minigun. He's got a minigun. He's got a minigun. Oh, I died.
kill. Headshot. Headshots is the best thing ever.
Strange thing that happened on Friday night. Girls and lots of hugging and keys. Really? Really? Really?
No, I got killed. What?
I can't get up this fucking rock.
Oh no. You can't get up a rock is the worst way to lose. It's like
I'm just beating the fuck out of this rock. So I can get up it.
your bullets are just like, oh my gosh, something just fell down.
So what the fuck's this?
Oh yeah, you can run by the ship, by the way.
Whoa. Fuck you, man.
Yeah.
Fucking sneaking up behind me, bitch.
Yeah, Mech, you can, you know what you can do? You can, run holding shift.
I know if they're running. Oh, these guys get rocket launchers as well.
That's what commandos do.
I'm a miner.
It's not a rocket launcher, it's a mining launcher.
So what?
It's a mining launcher.
Ah, dynamite.
Bang. Our ping just randomly varying. No reason varies. I use sprinting for running.
Big explosion. Right, there's someone like right above us. Like behind the base. I'm going up to try and kill him now.
They're gonna be able.
Fucking killed me. Go on, fish.
Ready.
And I'm still first.
Oh, I see them there. I saw that guy. If I killed him, I could have gotten him first.
Die, you bitch.
Gotta get a kill.
It's only 52.
Ow.
Let's hit them where they don't expect it.
Top of the blue.
Great.
From above.
Yep. I'm near the top though.
Right, I'm gonna stop recording. And
Oh,
I'll
me
be back
too.
in a bit.